executive coordinator for SACA, and we are the ones hosting this laser tag zombie apocalypse event today. So like it's just a little break during class, they can come out, or during lunch, and it's just really like for students to enjoy and have something to do while on campus.
This little box up here is what really catches it, but if you aim with the lights, it's a good indication of where you're going to shoot.
I was just hanging out with some friends, and they mentioned how they saw the poster to this event, so we decided to come up and check it out.
There were posters going around with school, and my friend, she really wanted to go, and she like persuaded us to go with her, and it turned out to be really fun.
For those who just ended a game, y'all are more than welcome to play again. Just come back to the check-in table and get another wristband.
I would play more, but it's because we had to go to class soon, so.
It was really cool. It was a really cool thing to come and do before class started up again.
Did y'all need more wristbands? Yeah, of course.
But you can play.
Hey, we got one more wrist. You guys want to play?
Like everyone was coming in, play, and everyone was having such a good time. So it was really fun to see.
Just finished the game. Please fill out an evaluation report for us. We appreciate it.
It was fun to like hang around with my friends and like do something outside of just eating or something.
That was a tough game, y'all.
Wow.
That was a tough game.
We're crushing.